Good morning, third grade. Mr. Henley here. Miss Nelson came to me and asked to help you guys with your PowerPoints for your science projects, I believe. So here we go. You're watching this first, then you're going to dive in and do exactly what I'm showing you here. So we go Start Window. Some of you might have your PowerPoint already up. Some of you might not. If you do, go ahead and click right here. If you don't have PowerPoint shown in your Start window, we have to go All Programs, Microsoft Office. Now yesterday we went to Publisher with the P, now we're going to PowerPoint, so make sure you click on PowerPoint. Click on it. Should pop up here shortly. There it is. Now before we get going with anything, we want to make sure that we are saving it in the right spot. So I'm going to do File, Save As. I'm going to make this a little bigger so you guys can see. One thing we were doing yesterday was we were all saving it in our documents. Remember, that's not where we save it. If you save it in here, there's nothing myself or Miss Nelson can do to get it back once you log off. You have to go down to Computer, Network Location. Under here, it's going to have your 6-digit number. Mine has my name. Yours is going to have your 6-digit number. You click on that. In here are your folders. If you have a social studies folder, click and save it into your social studies folder. Or if this is a science project, you save it into your science folder. If you don't have any folders set up, we're going to save it right in here. So the first thing that we are going to save it as is, what's your project? If your project is about ecosystems or about seasons or whatever it's about, you create your name, save it in here, type it, click save, and there we go. Mine is about winter. I click save. It should say it up here. It says winter, I'm ready to go. First thing, I'm going to put my title in. Winter. This second box here is where you put your name and who you're working with, your class title, and who is your teacher. So I'm going to put Blake Henley is my name. Let's see here. My class is Miss Nelson. That's where you guys are. And I am currently working with third grade. Okay. Once you have those things, now it's time to add a new slide. I'm going to go up here. Now, if you just click new slide, I'm going to have the same exact layout here, but we don't want that. We want new slide. See how there's the drop down arrow? I'm going to click that. Now I have all of these options. Well, pick the one that works for you. I'm going to do a title and content. Chances are that's what you are going to use majority of the time. So you click in. What is the title of your slide? Once you have that, click title or click here. You're going to type in your information, whether you found it in an ebook, on Google, in an encyclopedia, wherever you find the information, here you go. Okay. Remember, after each slide, I want you to save. The important stuff is getting the information in, not changing the color and adding cool transitions and different things, okay? Get the information in first. Then later on, I'll show you guys how to change your background, add transitions, animations, and whatnot. But we have to get our information done here first. If you have questions, ask a neighbor, ask Miss Nelson, ask myself. We'll be posting more videos for you to watch. Thanks.